How to turn a 1988 Suzuki GN 250 into a classic street tracker. Coming up next. What's up everybody, this is Monty with House of David MC, and today we're starting a brand new project, a 1988 Suzuki GN 250. The GN 250 is a great urban commuter bike. It has enough power to keep up with the flow of traffic, and for today's purposes we're going to turn it into a really cool looking street tracker. So let's check it out. So here she is, a 1988 Suzuki GN 250. She's in great shape. Odometer is reading right at 78.92. Less miles than I have on my Ruckus. Okay guys, it's day number 2 of the teardown process. As you can see, we made a lot of progress. We got the majority of the electrical tore out. Just a little side note, as you begin to take out the wiring harness, make little notes of where everything goes. It makes your life a lot easier when you go back to plugging it in. So that's where we're at right now. Let's get going to the rest of the process. So as you can see from the celebratory dance, the first installment of our GN 250 build has come to an end. We've completely disassembled the bike, removed the engine from the frame, and getting everything ready to be cleaned and prepped for paint. So if you like the videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel down below. Like the videos, make comments. As always, this has been Monty with House of David MC, taking one motor, one revelation at a time.